The proposed 0.5% VAT increase by the government is going to be challenged by the Democratic Alliance, DA, on April 22 in the Western Cape High Court.
Part A, however, is an urgent application premised on 2 points of law. The first being the setting aside of the adoption of the financial framework, the fiscal framework for the year. And then the second part, which is the most important part, is the suspension of the operation of the implementation of the VAT hike. Now, that in and of itself actually has 2 parts to it, because it also has a portion which prevents the Commissioner of SARS from actually enacting the collection of the increased VAT amounts.
The DA wants to urgently ask the court to stop the plan from being carried out.
Minister in Section 7.4 of the VAT Act, a matter that will be heard on a non-urgent basis at a later stage.
DA spokesperson Karabo Khakhau thinks that the VAT increase is not fair to South Africans.
Interdict, especially one brought on an urgent basis.
Phillips wouldn't be drawn on what he believes the DA's likely prospects of success would be in its urgent application set to be heard on the 22nd of April. However, should the DA's motion be unsuccessful in terms of halting the VAT increase, what will this mean for the South African economy?
Without being affected by her being part of the government of national unity, she voted against tax laws earlier this month. Talks with ANC on the matter will happen on April 24th.
That is surrounding this VAT increase, it's actually not going to have a massive impact on overall economic activity. A 0.5% increase in the rate of VAT is set to increase the inflation rate by 0.1 to 0.2%, and that is basically the extent to which it's going to erode the disposable incomes of individuals.